Hey guys, what's up, what's up? Wagwan me peeps, wagwan me peoples. Don't know, Alain here again with a brand new edition of White Boys Fragrance Corner. And today I'll be unboxing 2 new fragrances to the collection. And both of them are blind buys, so guess what? This is our first impressions video as well. Yeah, call it 2 for 1, right? But before we get into the unboxing and first impressions, I'll definitely appreciate if you could click on the subscribe button. You'll help out the channel a whole lot by subscribing to it. And while you're at it, why not click on the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever your favorite Jamaican fragrance reviewer uploads a brand new video. You can also head over to Instagram and follow me at whiteboys_fragrance_corner or over at Facebook at White Boys Fragrance Corner. So let's go. First up, I know you have heard me talking about this particular house. This is an Italian niche house, and this is Nasomatto. Pardon, right? I already own China White, and I've added Black Afghana to the collection, so this is my 3rd bottle. So yeah, let's see what this is all about. Now, this particular fragrance was launched back in 2011, and the perfume behind this was Alessandro Giulieri. Yeah, I think I kind of got that one correct. Now, some notes in this are magnolia, flowers. You also have some dark chocolate with some tonka bean and cinnamon in the middle. And then now for the base, you have agar wood, which is most likely the oud, and some sandalwood. So yeah, let's see what this is all about. I'm excited, man. Personally, I don't mind blind buying stuff. For the most part, it has worked out in my favor, but I definitely will not recommend blind buying, especially the newcomers in the fragrance community. Don't blind buy. So let's get rid of the cellophane. Away you go. Whoop. I kind of like this drawing. I think this is a snail and a dog or something. Not really sure what it is. Now here on the back it says, pardon. This bottle of perfume is part of the project Nasomatto. The fragrance aims to evoke the persuasion of utmost masculine elegance and charm. This sounds good already, right? This, as usual, is a 30 ml extrait de parfum. Very potent, guys. And yeah, made in Italy. Then you have the batch code down here. Batch code for this is CR3209. And just like most Nasomattos, this slides up. Then you can pull this one out. And here we go. This is the bottle, and this is one thing I like about these bottles is the cork. I mean, it's a small bottle. Here we go. It's a small bottle, and the cork is almost as big as the bottle, and fits good. Like, you can actually shake this. Now, another thing I like about this is, in case you're not a fan of those big caps, bottle caps, they have the small one, but I don't use this. I think that this looks better. Now, this gets compared to Guerlain's Lidge Extreme. So let's see. First impressions. Ooh. This is a sexy oud. And that dark chocolate note mixed with that magnolia. This is a lovely fragrance, guys. And I can definitely see why so much people appreciate and like Pardon. And I can also see why people compare it to, I won't say compare, but people find this very similar to Guerlain's Lidge. Yep. Not bad. I like it, but I have to wait until it's a bit colder to wear this. And my experiences with the house of Nasomatto is 1 spray, 2 sprays maximum. That's it. Don't do more sprays because it's very powerful. Yep guys, this is it. Pardon. I love it, but I'll have to wait till when it gets colder. This is going to be one of my go-to scents. Alright, so on to the second bottle, and I'm pretty excited about this because this is the first ever fragrance from this particular house, and this is Tiziana, Terenzi, Ursa. Now Tiziana, Terenzi is another Italian niche house, and they make some very good perfumes. I have never tried any one of these, but I looked this up on the internet and it sounded very interesting. So yeah, this is a first. So let's get cracking. 2 Italian niche houses today. Not bad. Not bad at all. So let's get rid of the cellophane. Right. And this box is big. It is a big box. It feels heavy as well. So here you have it, with the emblem at the front. This is another X-Ray de Parfum. This is 100 ml. Yeah, made in Italy. Then you have serial codes and things down at the bottom of the box. So here we go. Would you look at this bottle? Then you have 2 booklets. Let's see what this is all about. Okay, so I guess this is a booklet with their fragrances and notes and stuff like that. I actually find this very cool. And then here, so now you have a little info about the Luna collection. So I guess everything in a white bottle is considered the Luna collection. Alright, so here we go. Now this is a heavy bottle, guys. This is like about a pound and a half. This is a heavy bottle, and the cork, this is a heavy bottle cork, guys. I know Parfums de Marly, they have heavy corks, but this is a direct competitor to Parfums de Marly corks. Now, to give you a little background history of Ursa, Ursa gets compared to Straight to Heaven by Kilian. This has notes in it such as dried fruits, it has some rum in it, it has some agar wood in it, and yeah, some vetiver patchouli. And I've seen plenty of reviews, and everybody tends to like this a bit more than Straight to Heaven. I think I smelled Straight to Heaven a couple of years back. I think it was 2018 when I was in Munich at the airport. I went through the duty-free shop and I did smell straight to heaven. Don't quite remember what it smells like, but yeah. This is beautiful cap. So let's see what this smells like. And before I forget, the perfumer for this is Terenzi. So yeah, let's go. Let's see. The atomizer is pretty good. Okay, I can see where the aroma comes in. Those dried fruits with the patchouli. The patchouli coming through now, and the agar wood. This also has olibanum in it, vetiver, as I said. This is a it's a heavy fragrance, but there's a hint of freshness to it, and I'm not sure if that's the patchouli leaf or the olive. Could be. But yeah. When something is good, you have to spray it on skin. Alright, definitely not a bad scent. Won't be my last from the house of Tiziana Terenzi. But again, I'll wait till further down in fall when it's a bit cooler. I'll give this some testing, guys, and I'll do a review on this. Just our first impressions. It is different. It is not something that I have in my collection, so this is a total first for me in my collection, and I have over 200 fragrances, including niche, and this is different, guys. Yep, I'm glad I picked this one up. Definitely a unique scent for me. I need to get my hands on Straight to Heaven, and then I can basically do a straight comparison. So alright, guys, there you have it. There you have it. First impressions, unboxing Nasomatto Pardon and Tiziana Terenzi Ursa. Now, once I give these two guys some wearing, I will be doing a full review on them somewhere down the line, but I have to wait, especially for Pardon, I have to wait till the weather is much colder. But this, I'll be rocking this one soon. Maybe a couple weeks from now, I'll be rocking this. But, gotta say, lovely packaging, lovely presentation, especially this little thing. I like it. It's fitting for my niche collection. I just need to find some space for it. And yeah. Anyhow, guys, this is it. Another episode of White Boys Fragrance Corner. Tell you guys what, if I can reach 100 subscribers, or whenever I reach 100 subscribers, I'll do a European wide giveaway. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. It is going to be something that smells good, but I have to reach 100 subscribers. And then once those numbers go up, let's see, I should be able to do a worldwide giveaway. So let's make it work. Go ahead, click on the subscribe button, share it with a friend, and let a friend share a friend, and everything is good. I'll definitely appreciate it, and you will definitely help the channel to grow just like that. Now, with that out of the way, we all know how it goes. Looking great, smelling greater. Man fi smell good. Man can't smell green like cedar and look good. That no make it, right? So with that said, I just want to wish you all a blessed day, peeps. Stay safe, stay blessed. Alain, aka White Boy, is out.